Usually my taste towards anything is trying to keep it minimal and as clean as possible. I like minimal colors, don't like to play with too many colors, just pick 2 or 3 main colors and work around that. And also usually the design language and the lines I like are very straight. I align with that language a lot. I like the blend of grey, wood and black. These are the 3 colors that I align more towards. With this specific room, the rest of my house was finished, but this room was still incomplete because I didn't find what I was really looking for. I wanted to bring in carbon fiber element somehow into my house because I'm an automobile enthusiast and they use carbon fiber a lot. Carbon fiber is a material which is very light and very strong at the same time. You would see it used a lot in Formula 1 and many car manufacturers use it. So I want to bring it in somehow into this bar counter that you see behind me. I saw a lot of pictures of bar counters in different magazines at different stores, but no one was ready to customize it. I wanted it customized to the size of this room and to certain things that I wanted. Like there's a DJ counter, so I wanted to put my DJ counter on it. So I wanted the DJ counter to blend into the bar counter. Of course, with my association starting with Dasos, I'd visited and seen their facility, and I know the kind of customization they do. It's incredible the kind of options you have. So I thought, yeah, why not? Let's give it a go. So the minute I said carbon fiber, the team was completely okay with it. They said, yeah, sure, let's try it out. Even they've not done it before, so they said they were keen on trying it out. So that's how the whole idea came together, and finally the product is ready, and I'm very happy with the way it's come out. It's one of a kind. I've not seen a customized carbon fiber bar counter anywhere over here. So I'm really proud that it was achieved to great quality and finish. You know, when I ideated my thoughts to them, the design team came forward. They made some 3D renders, which actually gave me a very close picture as to what it's going to look like. So with those 3D renders in front of me, I could really play around in terms of color, in terms of the elevation and all that. This was a really cool process because I could go through 2-3 different versions. I took my time, I kept seeing each render and thought about it and made small changes. So this really helped me achieve exactly what I wanted. After the 3D rendering process, then they went into the manufacturing, and it was in less than a month. The bar counter was here, and also my pantry kitchen, which they've done, was ready, and the finish and the fit, everything, it actually blended in so well into the rest of the house. Like it was all completed together. Like nowhere it felt like this room was completed later. So yeah, the process was really amazing. Coming to the execution part, of course that fear was there, that because a lot of the other parts of the house was completed, shifting in these materials and installation, would it damage something? Would there be dust and all these elements? So this was a worry I had, but the way the team came in and executed was fantastic. I didn't even know they were here. The execution was done in a matter of, I think, a day or 2. Everything was finished at the factory. They just came and put it together here. It was dust-free, hassle-free. Yeah, I'm really happy the way they've done it. Thank you so much to the team. Along with this bar counter, they did another pantry unit. Again, there, a lot of flexibility was given to me in terms of customization. Deep green, like olive green kind of a color too, which I've used in other parts of my house. So I wanted them to match it exactly to that, and that process was also seamless. The pantry unit has come out very well. So all in all, very happy, and would definitely recommend this to all of you. Do try it out, and also the company tagline is, "It's your right to know." And I definitely think it's your right to know. When you spend the money, you should know the kind of manufacturing process, the discipline they take, and the execution. They're very transparent throughout. So yeah, go give it a try. Thank you, Dasos.